Hi there. So today we are given to draw this drawing that we see in front of us using AutoCAD Inventor. So I'm gonna go and show you the dimensions of our drawing. So there is our drawing and the dimension needs to be in millimeters. So we're not gonna waste any time. We're gonna go back to our drawing, to our AutoCAD, and then we go new there. From there we go metric, standard millimeter, and then we go create. So we need to know what is our drawing plane. In this case is XY. And then I'm gonna start by drawing a rectangle because I think rectangle sometimes is faster when you have to do a drawing. Especially for this kind of drawing. So there it need to be 36 millimeters as per our sketch. 36 millimeters, and this one here need to be 106 millimeters. That is done. Then I need to draw another rectangle there. There is my rectangle. And as given, the dimensions of our rectangle need to be 82 there. That needs to be 82. So that is 82 there. And from the to here, this one needs to be 12. Here is 12. And from here to there, that needs to be 12 as well. So this needs to be 12 millimeters. Once done, I go for another rectangle. There is my second rectangle, my third, that's my third. So this is my third rectangle. And I want the dimension of this rectangle to be 70 millimeters. Oh, just 1 millimeter out there. That's 70, that's 69. There you go. That sounds good. And then from there, what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna have to draw this line there. So there is my line. Once that is done, remember, always have your left hand on the escape button. And there, I'm gonna go and draw the circle of mine. This is my circle of mine. My circle needs to be in line with this line. Yes, need to be in line with it. So there you go. Then it needs to be parallel there. I mean tangent. That need to be tangent to that one over there. Let me just make sure. So I press there. This needs to be tangent to that. The tangent, it is tangent. So once that is done, I have to give it dimensions. And according to our sketch, that needs to be 44 millimeters for the diameter. 44 millimeters. After that, I come for another second. That one needs to be 20 millimeters. All right. So that need to be 20 millimeters. 20 millimeters. That's good. That's good. And then once that is done, I go escape. I draw now this line of mine. There is my line of mine. There is my line. And then from there, go trim. I trim that part because I don't want it. I trim that part because for the same reason, I trim that one. I trim the sides. Once that is done, I come here and then I trim that. Right? I trim that spot. I trim this spot. I trim again. Is it done? Then I come here again. I trim this spot. And then I have to trim that one as well. I trim the spot. Everything's fine. Then I go escape. From there, I go in 3D model. I say extrude. All right. So now I need to extrude. So I'm going to extrude this part. So this one needs to be extruded for how long? How much? I mean 82 millimeters. Both sides though. Both sides. So what I'm saying both sides, I mean both sides of my lines, my axes. Those are my axes. So that's one and this one. So then I say, okay, from there, I come there. I show my sketch. I say visibility, please. Visibility, where are you? There's a visibility so that I can see this spot here. So I need to extrude again. So I extrude this spot now by 12 millimeters. 12 millimeters. Both sides. 12 millimeters, please. 12 millimeters. That is done. Come on. What did I do? Back. Extrude. 12 millimeters. Both sides. Thank you. There we go. So once this part is done, I have to put some fillets now. All right. So now I come here. Let me just remove this visibility for now. I see now that it's coming, it's getting clever. Visibility removed. Then I come here. I select that part. I say fillet. So that one need to have a fillet of a radius of 12 millimeters. That's one. This one. That's one. This one. Right. Which one again? That's it, I think. Then I say apply. All right. Then I come here. Then I need to have the same thing there. Okay. I need to have the same thing there. Then I say I come there. Fillet. That's one. and that's one. So you need to have a fillet of 12 millimeters. All right, and then that's done. I come this side now at the back now. Come on, be polite, my man. I come there. Fillets need to have a fillet of 12 millimeters. That's great. So once that's done, what's next now? So now I have to draw these holes here. I need to have those holes. So now what I have to do is I'm gonna go on origin to make it easier. Origin, which drawing plane. So why is it? And then I come here, I drag my drawing plane, let's say up to here. That's correct. And then I say, okay, from there, I say new sketch. All right, so here we go. And then here, what I'm gonna do is I have to draw my holes. My first one, my second one, and now the sizes. This one need to be how much? 12 millimeters. This one needs to be, come on, 12 millimeters. So 12 millimeters. Oh, applied as well there, yeah? Nah, 12 millimeters. Okay. And then from there, what I want, I need to make sure that from the bottom of my drawing up to the center, escape up to the center, I also get 12 millimeters. So from the to here, I need to have 12 millimeters. So that needs to be 12 millimeters. And this one here need to be 12 millimeters. 12 millimeters. And then I want the distance between this one here and that one there to be 58 millimeters. So that needs to be 58 millimeters. So that is done. So now I need to draw this other line here. Come here. This other line here. So let me draw it here. So this is my line. So I want now from here, come on, I want from there to here to be 29 millimeters. So that needs to be 29 millimeters. Enters, and then I drag my line back there. There we go. So escape. This you have drawn, eh? That's well done. Not bad. That's fine. Come back there. Okay. So that is done. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna select that line there, and then I say delete on my keyboard the same way. That's one, delete. So then I come there on tree model, I say extrude. So I want that one and that one to be cut off my drawing. So I'm gonna say that side there, and then 120 millimeters. So you're gonna go through from this side up to that side, and then I say okay. All right, then I come here, I remove my drawing plane, visibility removed. So now you can see, congratulations. So this is how your drawing looks like, right? This is how it looks like. So if you want, you can give it the material that you want, your choice. So you can see it's the same thing there. So you can choose what material you want your drawing to be in. So as for me, I'm gonna go with gold, man. I like gold. So there you go. Where is gold here? There you go. It's beautiful. It's so beautiful, isn't it? Is it not beautiful, this one? It is beautiful. So it was a pleasure of mine sharing this video with you. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you're gonna enjoy it. Please, if you feel like sharing this video, please do so with pleasure. And another thing, if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe to the channel. I don't want you to miss the video that's gonna be posted in the next days. As for now, I'm gonna ask you to take care of yourself, and please see you on the next video. Bye.